Let us proceed with the behavior of the graph. Behavior of the graph of a function tell us the far left and far right, which is the end behavior. O ito yung makikita natin sa dalawang dulo, sa left and sa right. And in finding the behavior of the graph, we consider the leading term. Alamin natin whether it is greater than 0 or whether it is less than 0. After telling whether the leading term is greater or less than, we have to look for the degree, whether it is even. Pag even, ito yung 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, so on so forth. Pag odd, ito yung mga 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on so forth. So, kapag nalaman na natin yung leading term at yung degree, malalaman na natin yung left and right behavior of the graph. So, let us have an example. So, given polynomial function y equals x squared plus 2x plus 1. So, x squared is the leading term. And the leading term is positive. So, if that is positive, it is greater than 0. Next is the degree. Since the degree is 2 and 2 is even number, so yung greater at even yung gagamitin natin in telling the behavior of the graph. By using the table kanina, so look lang natin, ito siya, greater, even. So ang behavior of the graph natin is rising sa left and rising din sa right. Ibig sabihin, pataas yung left, pataas din yung right. So, the behavior is rising, rising. Next example, y equals to 4x cubed plus 1. So, 4x cubed is the leading term. The leading term is positive, so it is greater than 0. Next is the degree. The degree is 3 and 3 is odd number. So, we will be using greater and odd. So, using the table, look for greater and odd. So, meaning, the behavior of the graph is falling to the left and rising to the right. Next example, y equals to negative 3x squared plus x plus 1. So, negative 3x squared is the leading term. Since it is negative, meaning it is less than 0. The degree is 2, and 2 is even number. So, using the graph, look for less and even. Less, even. So, meaning the behavior of the graph is falling sa left, falling to right. Next example, y equals to negative 2x cubed plus 2x squared plus 3x minus 4. So, negative 2x cubed is the leading term. And the leading term is negative, meaning it is less than 0. 3 is the degree, and 3 is odd number. So, in our table, we will be looking for less, odd. So, the behavior of the graph is rising sa left, and right is falling. Okay, do you have questions regarding behavior of the graph? So, you will be needing the table in your finding the behavior of the graph. So, tandaan lang natin yung table. Take note of the table regarding the behavior of the graph. Now, let us have an activity, complete me. So, complete the following using the given polynomial functions. So, first, look for the leading term, which is 5x cubed. Next, look for the degree, and the degree is 3. Then, look for the behavior of the graph. So, leading term natin is greater kasi positive. And the degree is add. So, looking to our table, greater, add. So, look lang natin, greater, add. So, meaning, it is, the behavior of the graph, left is falling, right is rising. Okay? Number 2, given y equals to 2x squared plus 3x plus 2. Look for the leading term. The leading term is 2x squared. The degree is 2. So, the leading term 2x squared is greater. Since it is positive, the degree is 2, which is even. Now, look in our table, greater and even. So, meaning the behavior of the graph is left rising, right rising. Another example, y equals to negative x cubed plus 2x. So, leading term natin is negative x cubed. The degree is positive 3. Now, our leading term is negative, so meaning it is less than 0. And the degree is add. So, by looking in our table, less and add. So, the behavior of the graph is left rising, right falling. Now, next set of given, y equals to negative 5x to the fourth plus 2. Leading term, negative 5x to the fourth. Degree is 4 or yung highest exponent natin. Then the leading term is negative, meaning it is less than 0. And our degree is even. Looking in our table, we have less and even. So it means that the behavior of the graph is falling to the left and falling to the right. Okay, do you have question regarding behavior of the graph? Okay, so remember, you will be using the table for the behavior of the graph.